Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at how we can address two specific issues that is prevalent with almost every household today. One is related to AC leakage, the other is related to mosquitoes. Before we actually get into how we can address these two issues, let's look at each one of them individually. First, AC leakage. So, AC leakage, I'm not speaking specifically about leakage from your appliance. This is more related to AC leakage from your rooms. Today, we'll speak more related to bedrooms because that is where most ACs function these days. And we're looking at a room with an attached bathroom. So, what you will need to do is switch on your AC and run it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Um, you need to be outside the room at this point. So, once it is run for about 5 to 10 minutes, stand close to the door of your bedroom. If you feel that there is a small amount of cold AC air hitting your feet, that means that there is some amount of leakage in your bedroom. Do the same with the bathroom as well. If you feel standing close to the door that there is some amount of cold air hitting your feet, means that there is some amount of leakage in both the doors or either one of them, which is the bedroom door as well as the attached bathroom door. So what you will need to do is, if you feel that there is a bit of leakage here, there are a couple of things that you can use as in terms of products to address these issues, in fact prevent AC leakage from happening. The other thing is mosquitoes. So mosquitoes generally enter in just about every possible gap that is available in the house, and it is an utter nuisance. My son had a very terrible time sleeping in the night because he has to be up at 6:30 in the morning to go to school, and on most days he would wake up really tired because he wouldn't have slept peacefully the whole night, and this was because of mosquitoes. So as I said, mosquitoes can enter in just about any gap that is available in a room. It could be an open window, can be a small gap in the room, maybe one of your windows was not shut properly, so on and so forth. So just about any gap. So what happens is that when you have these gaps that I was speaking about in terms of AC leakage at the bottom of the door, mosquitoes do enter that way also. And in a bedroom that has an attached bathroom, the biggest source for mosquitoes to enter is the ventilation that is available in your bathrooms. You might think that it is not a big deal, but it definitely is, and I will tell you why. So let's look at the products that you can use to stop this leakage as well as addressing the issues with mosquitoes. So this is one of them. This is generally called a door sweep. Basically a lengthy nylon material which has these tubular thermocol pipes inside. So you see that there's a small hole here. So this is generally used in most upholstery stores for upholstery purposes. It goes into sofas, cushioned chairs, etc. This is to just fill in the gap, and this is what they've used in this product as well. This is basically a nylon sheet which has two holes where these tubes are put in. It has an opening where you can take it out and adjust it according to the length of your door. So what you will need to do is you'll have to slide this under the door. The way you can do it is like this. So that was my 4-year-old son who slid this under the door. It's pretty simple, does not require any specific knowledge. Anybody can do it. So this comes in at about 88 or 90 centimeters. The link for this I will put in the description. It's available on Amazon. It came in at 195 rupees. 3 days on prime delivery. If you have faster, very good. So you just have to slide this thing under your door, and what it basically does is, let's consider this to be your door. When you slide it underneath and close the door, what happens is it kind of holds the door like this, and as a result, the air from inside the room cannot get in. Mosquitoes from outside the room also cannot get in. So that is how this thing works. And this is predominantly used basically that has a flat surface. This cannot be used in bathrooms where there is a small step. So most bathrooms have a very small step at the bottom. This is to prevent water from inside the bathroom getting into the bedroom. So you generally cannot use this product for those circumstances, because you can use it, but then every time you open and close the door, you will have to adjust this to prevent it from getting stuck. So we use this in the bedroom. We generally don't take it out, so even when sweeping and mopping happens, it still stays there, and since it is nylon material, it does not absorb water, and no specific issues as such. If it was cotton, it would absorb water, it will remain wet after a lot of time, it will attract fungi and so on. But with nylon, there is absolutely no issues. You can use this without taking it off every now and then when the sweeping and mopping happens in the house. Every now and then, maybe once in a week, you can maybe take it out, dust it and stick it back in. The other product that we're going to be talking about is this one. This is an actual door sweep. This is an aluminum clip, and it has these nylon bristles at the bottom, just like a brush. So this again is pretty simple to install. This is much larger actually. So this came in at 90 centimeters, and depending on the length of the bathroom door or your bedroom door, you can use a hacksaw blade to cut it. It comes with these pre-installed holes, so it comes with the screws as well. So you will have to measure it, cut it, and depending on length, screw these things inside, and kind of fits in sturdy. So here's a picture of how we did it in the bathroom. So that is how it is in our bathroom, because we could not install this thing in the bathroom because the bathroom has a small step, and as a result, this thing tends to get stuck as in every time you open and close the door. So like I said, this came larger. Depending on it, you can use a hacksaw blade to cut it. I did it myself. I installed it myself. There is no need for any specific help required to install this. So the way it should be positioned is, let's say this is the floor of your bathroom. This must hit the floor. So as in when you open and close the door, what it will do is basically it will sweep that place, and at the same time it will prevent AC leakage as well as keep mosquitoes out from your bedroom. So those are the two products. I leave the links of both the products in the description. So this one, the door sweep, came at 750 rupees for a pair, two of them. So I've used one in each bedroom, and one in each bathroom, which has an attached bedroom and which has an AC running in them. So it has worked really, really well for me. In fact, I find hardly any mosquitoes in the bedroom during the night. My son, like I said, has been able to sleep peacefully these days. That is pretty much it. These things you can maybe try making at home. If you have a stretch of nylon material like this, all you have to buy are these two tube things that is available in most upholstery stores. All you have to do is put that, let's say this is a length of nylon cloth that you have. Put one of them in here, roll it, put a stitch here, put another tube here, roll it, stitch it. Once you're done adjusting the length, put stitches on this side and this side, and pretty much you're done. But if you do not want to waste time in getting these things specifically, um, going to a tailor, getting it stitched and all that, if it works out to the same price, rather sit at home, have this delivered on Amazon to your home itself. Use it. I can guarantee that you will see a big difference, not only in your electricity bill but also in terms of mosquitoes. I've also made a video earlier about how you can save electricity bill if you have a Blue Star AC. You can use that method with a combination of this, and I'm definitely sure that there will be a big difference in your electricity bill, as well as these issues with the damn mosquitoes. So that is pretty much it on this video. Go ahead and try it. If you feel there is a difference, leave your comments in the comment section below for more such videos. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and leave a thumbs up, which will encourage people like us to make more such videos for all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time today. Have a nice day ahead. Peace.